Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create viral talking AI generated video. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for InVideo AI. We're going to use this website to create a viral talking AI. And then before we use features in this website, we have to log into this website. And after that, we'll be able to use AI features to create a video. And then here we have to give the topic and detailed instruction, and I'm just going to paste the instruction I have just created, and then I'm going to click on generate a video. Okay, and we just need to wait for a moment. Okay, and now the video has generated with the AI, and I'm going to play the video to take a look at the result. I'm going to click on this play button.
Trees. Forests are more than just a collection of trees. They breathe life into our planet, producing the oxygen we need to survive. Each tree, each leaf plays...
And you can also edit the video by giving the AI command. Then you just need to click on generate. Okay, and if you want to download it, you need to click on download. And I'm going to choose with watermark because I'm not a premium user. And then I'm just going to select normal. Okay, and then click on continue. Alright guys, and now the video is being downloaded. And okay, and that's how we can create viral talking AI generated video. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.